Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I'll show you how to back up Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7 to an external hard drive, step by step. Let's get started. First, go to the Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and open it. When the Control Panel opens, change View By to large icons or small icons. Now find Backup and Restore and click on it. If this window opens blank or empty, don't worry. I've shared the fix in the first pinned comment, so make sure to check that. Next, click on Set Up Backup. Wait a few seconds, then connect your external hard drive. After that, click Refresh so the drive appears. When you see your external hard drive, select it and click Next. Now you'll see two options. You can choose Let Windows Choose. This option includes a system image, which is very helpful because it can restore your entire PC if Windows ever stops working. Or you can choose Let Me Choose if you only want to back up specific files and folders. I'll select the first option and click Next. You'll also see a Schedule option. This lets Windows back up your files automatically. Just remember, your computer must be turned on and the external drive must be connected for scheduled backups to work. For me, I'll turn the schedule off, then click Save Settings and Start Backup. The first backup may take some time depending on how much data you have. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Error for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.